Sleep paralysis benefits. While it is not the kind of experience one usually sets out to experience, it is great to think about how to make the most of sleep paralysis when it does happen, since it is so common. Some studies point to 25 to 30% of the population have experienced sleep paralysis, while others suggest as many as 40 or even 60%. Some experience it more than once or even periodically. It is very commonly associated to lucid dreams, out-of-body experiences, and is common among those who have had near-death experiences. Panic is a common reaction to those who first experience it without prior knowledge of the phenomenon. Even those who have read about it might be a bit overwhelmed by this and other sensations related to the OBE. Once the fear of the novel and unknown is overcome, SP and related sensations usually begin to elicit more positive responses because they are not unpleasant. Much to the contrary, they signal an upcoming OBE, which can be cause for satisfaction. It is not unlike a roller coaster or other thrilling experience that can scare a beginner, but is later exciting and even quite pleasant for the experienced rider. Rather than trying to fight off the temporary paralysis that occurs naturally in association to the normal sleep cycle, one can focus on triggering a lucid dream or OBE. Instead of trying to move the body, one simply goes along for the ride, with mental commands to move away from the body, to roll or float away, often triggering an OBE. Alternatively, one can conjure up an imaginary scenario and enter a lucid dream, whereby one controls the environment and plot of the dream. OBEs and LDs have a number of applications or benefits. OBEs allow a person to have some insights on life from a multidimensional perspective. Such experiences can result in very positive cognitive shifts similar to those reported in near-death experiences, loss of fear of death, greater inspiration for one's life purpose, enhanced sense of altruism and universalism, and more. Experiencers often reach the conclusion that OBEs provide irrefutable personal proof of the existence of life beyond the physical body and of the human biofield. Nighttime lucidity is correlated with improved problem-solving or insight, which is increasingly important in today's knowledge and creativity-based economy and in a world that faces critical social challenges. Increased mindfulness from bioenergy and OBE practices may lead to reduced stress levels, which have well-known physical and mental health ramifications. Conclusion: sleep paralysis is a harmless, naturally occurring experience that is more common than previously expected. It can be an exciting experience as one becomes used to it, because it heralds a likely out-of-body experience. Whether you see the OBE as a mere altered state or as a gateway to other consciousness reality,